This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. This had been an actual emergency. An official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
The test is happening, y'all. Well, time to get the stations ready.
Coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. This had been an actual emergency. An official message will follow the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Protecting each other, please.
Coastal waters from San Mateo point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. The test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators.
Now you gotta still wait on KMIR because they haven't relayed the monthly test. So yeah, that's STX's test. Now I gotta wait on KMIR because they haven't relayed it yet. Bye now.